Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping straight into how to use Airtable for an e-commerce product launch. First up, let's start by setting up your base in Airtable. This is where you'll keep track of all the important details for your product launch. Think of it as your product launch headquarters. The reason we do this is to have all our data centralized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating different tables for different aspects of your launch. You might want a table for inventory, another for marketing, and maybe one more for sales. This helps us because it allows us to keep our data organized and separate, making it easier to find and manage the information we need. Next, we're going to populate these tables with relevant data. For instance, in your inventory table, you might include product names, quantities, and suppliers. The reason we do this is to have a clear view of our stock and supplier information at our fingertips. Now let's talk about views. In Airtable, you can create different views for your tables. For example, you could create a calendar view for your marketing table to keep track of campaign dates. Let me explain why this matters. By setting up views, you can visualize your data in a way that makes the most sense for you and your team, enhancing your productivity and efficiency. Lastly, we're going to set up automations. These will save you time by automating repetitive tasks, like sending reminders or updating other tables when changes are made. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When certain conditions are met, Airtable will automatically perform the actions you've set up. And that's it. You've now set up your Airtable for your e-commerce product launch. Remember, the key to a successful product launch using Airtable is to keep your data organized, utilize views to visualize your data, and set up automations to save time. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay organized, stay efficient, and see you next time.